What an incredible Cinderella story. This unknown comes out of nowhere to lead the pack.
As you can see by my clothes, I'm a winner. And winning is anything, everything, and the only thing. Move! Get off my court before I beat you. The struggle is real. You move. Hey, this is my trainer, Von Shea, and he's gonna give me a little pre-practice workout. Hey, come and give me 50! Oh, look, there's a butterfly back there.
I don't think there's a butterfly.
Oh yeah, might be. It was a hawk. Works every time.
She want a photo, you already know though. You only live once, that's the motto, nigga YOLO. And we bout it every day, every day, every day. Like we sitting on the bench, but we don't really play every day.
Sweet mother of a monkey.
It looks like I'm a wreck. It's in the hole!